How to reset your Facebook feed or clear Explore page. So guys, this is really simple. Let's start. First, friends, open Facebook app. Then go to the 3 lines menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Now open Settings from the top. Now guys, go to Content Preferences. Here you need to adjust a few things. First, in What You See section, go to Sensitive Content. Make sure you select Show Less. Then tap OK on this pop-up. Now go back. Now open Political Content. And turn it off or set it to show less if you want a cleaner feed. Go back again. Now in Who You See section, open Unfollow. Unfollow all the pages one by one which you don't care about it. Then go back. Now open Reconnect. Here guys, you can add back trusted pages if you want, otherwise just go back. Now open Favorites. Add only your close friends here. Also in the Pages section, keep only your best pages. These steps will significantly reset your Facebook feed and Explore page, but a full reset only completes based on your next activity. Still got any problem? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.